Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to install the Snapchat app on your phone using the latest method. Whether you're new to Snapchat or just reinstalling it, this process is simple and only takes a few minutes. First, grab your phone and open the App Store. If you're using an iPhone, this will be the App Store icon on your home screen. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a stable internet connection so the download goes smoothly. Once you're inside the App Store, tap on the Search tab, usually located at the bottom of your screen. In the search bar, type in Snapchat and hit search. You should see Snapchat appear at the top of the results, with its recognizable yellow icon and white ghost logo. Next, tap on the Snapchat app from the list. This will open the app's download page where you can see details, ratings, and screenshots. Now, tap the Install or Download button. If prompted, confirm the download using your Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. After that, the app will begin downloading and installing automatically.